Do you ever wake up feeling stiff? Like your body is slowing down even though your heart still feels young? Maybe your knees ache, your back hurts. You feel weaker, slower, more tired. And you wonder, is this just how aging feels? Let me tell you something powerful. It doesn't have to be this way. You don't need a gym. You don't need to lift heavy weights. You don't need to push through pain. You just need one move. One simple, gentle, science-backed move that does everything. Builds strength, improves balance, protects your joints, and even burns fat. Yes, after 50, thousands of men and women over 50 are doing this. And their lives are changing. They're standing taller, walking with confidence, sleeping better, feeling alive again. So what is it? Let me ask you first. What if this one move could unlock the body you thought you lost? Would you try it? It's easy. It's free. You can do it right now, in your bedroom, your living room, anywhere. Okay, here it is. The move is called the wall sit. Yep, that's it. But don't be fooled. This quiet little move fires up your entire lower body, quads, hamstring, glutes, core. It builds strength where you need it most without hurting your joints. Just lean against a wall. Slide down until your knees are bent like you're sitting on an invisible chair. Hold for 30 seconds. Rest. Repeat. Simple, right? But do it every day and watch what happens. Your legs get stronger. Your core gets tighter. You move easier. You feel younger. So don't wait. Start with 30 seconds today. Because after 50, it's not about doing more. It's about doing what works. The wall sit works. Let's rebuild your strength, one breath, one hold, one day at a time. If you're ready to take the next step, I made a free workout plan just for you. It's gentle, it's powerful, and it's made for bodies over 50. Just click the link in the description below to download it now. And if this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe so you never miss a workout that actually works. And don't stop here. Tap the next video showing on your screen right now. See you there. Let's keep going together.